Alright, job of the day. I'm back at the dump trailer that I was trying to troubleshoot when it was full. It's empty now. Here's a 3-wire remote. I got 4-wire going in. I just shrunk wrap all this so it's nice and clean. For the 4-post, I used his because his has a nice spring that protects this. So I used his plug and I put a new female end on the trailer. Alright, update. 4-post solenoid works. The new one that I got was dead on arrival. It went up and down and then just fried itself, so I don't know what happened with that. But I wired this one up correctly. The 3-wire new remote is working well. Everything's wired in. I'm going to shrink wrap everything. It goes up and down, goes up and comes down. Perfect. Let me clean all this stuff up. Remounted his motor, put new fasteners in there. There's only one fastener and it was stripped out. So I put 2 new in there and it's nice and strong now. All wiring's cleaned up. It's all zip tied up and in. He just runs extension cables to the ends. So do the same thing for his. Goes up, comes down. Everything works. I replaced out his female end on the plug and the wiring that goes in. Everything's rewired. Everything's clean. He's done and I'm on to the next.